Alright class, in this session we are going to start a new topic, and that is binomial theorem. It is very easy topic but a little bit lengthy, in which you need to apply this working formula as you can see on your screen. That is your working formula, and I will tell you the very small and short trick to memorize this working formula, so not to worry about it by just watching the working formula, right? Before starting the session, let me give you the idea that why do we need binomial theorem. Let's suppose that we have learned the identity of a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Alright, we know it very well. So when we have power 2, we know that how to expand it. So let's suppose if the power is greater than 2. Let's suppose now you have a question a plus b to the power 11. Now you are going to expand this one. So for larger power, for the expansion of larger powers, we need binomial theorem. Alright? To memorize this working formula, let me give you an example. If it says that a plus y to the power n. The first term is a power n plus n combination 1 a b n plus n combination 2 a b plus n combination 3 a b plus n combination 4 a b, and this y is basically b. Now once you had write down all those variables like I had done here, and the last term is always b to the power n. Now for the power, you need to find out the difference of these two. That will be n minus 1, so a power n minus 1. Here you have n and 2 will be n minus 2. It will be n minus 3. It will be n minus 4. So that is for the power of n. For power of b, that will be power of b. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes on. So to learn that working formula, it's very simple, that you need to reduce the power of a and you need to increase the power of b, as you can observe in this working formula. Alright? So the best thing about binomial theorem is you need to apply the working formula and you can get the answer easily. So there is not much concept involved in this topic. Alright? Alright, so now we need to apply this working formula on the couple of questions. Make sure that you have calculator with you, and before starting this exercise, make sure to write down this working formula in your copy, and first we note it down. You have a time of 40 seconds, so start. Alright, now I expect that all of you have written this working formula, and now we are ready to start question number 2, in which it says use the binomial theorem to find the expansion of, and I will start with part B here, and firstly I will attempt the first part and then I will tell you the attempt the next one. So let's start with part B. Question says 3 plus x power q. Alright, since that is the first question, so for your easiness I will write down that a is equals to 3, b is equals to x, n equals to 3. Alright, and now we are going to apply that working formula here. So which says, first it's a to the power n. A to the power n is what? 3. A is what? 3. A to the power n plus n combination 1. So n is what? 3 combination 1. After that we will get 3 combination 2, and lastly we will get 3 combination 3. Alright, I am going to place the value a and b. So it's a and b, a, b, a, b. And now I will write down the powers. So for a, we know that the power is the difference. So 3 minus 1, it's 2, and x to the power 1 3 minus 2, it's 1 x power 2. 3 minus 3, 0 x power 3. Alright. 3 cube, it's 27 plus 3 combination 1 is 3. 9 3 square is 9. 9 3s are 27x. Right? After that 3 combination 2, it's 3 as well. 3 3s are 9x square. 3 combination 3, it's 1. So that will be only x cube. So that is your answer. Alright. So try to write down the working formula in the same manner that I have done in the first part. And after part D, you need to attempt part F. Let me write down the question first. F is what? 2 minus x to the power 5. Alright. So for minus sign, the working formula modifies a little bit. And how is it so? First listen. If you have a negative sign, then your sign will be in the same pattern. First one is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. If you have a negative sign, then the working formula will have this type of symbols. The first one is always a positive, after that it's a negative, positive, negative, positive, and so on. So you need to give it a try first by yourself, and then I will tell you the answer. So write down the data. A is 2, B is x, and n is 5. We are not going to introduce minus x here because we are going to apply the negative formula, which says that the first sign is positive, after that it's negative, positive, negative, and so on. First give it a try. You have a time of 3 minutes to attempt this one, and then I will tell you the answer. So start. Alright class, now I'm going to apply the working formula here. The first term is what? It's 2 to the power n. N combination 1, that is 5 combination 1. N combination 2, 5 combination 2. N combination 3, 5 combination 3. 5 combination 4. 5 combination 5. Right? Then we have A and B. So A, B. A. Trust me class, that is the easiest approach that you can do to learn the binomial theorem and to avoid any mistake. After that we are going to work on powers. So 5 minus 1, it's 4, 1. 5 minus 2, 3, 2. 5 minus 3, 2, 3. 5 minus 4, 1, 4. 5 minus 5, 0, and 5. Basically, this power is the difference of these two numbers. You can see that this power is the difference, and so on. And for power B, B is basically this power as it is, right? So that is the approach to learn that working formula. Alright class. After that, after this working formula, we need to introduce sign here. So first term is positive, then negative. Positive, negative, positive, negative. That is the approach if you have a negative sign present here. Alright? The first term is always a positive, and then negative, then positive, negative, positive, negative, and so on. After that, you need to solve it. 2 power 5, it's 32, minus 5 combination 1, it's 5. 2 power 4, it's 16, and x, plus 5 combination 2, it's 10. 2 cube, it's 8, and x square, minus 5 combination 3, it's 10. 2 square, 4, and x cube, plus 5 combination 4, 5, 2, x4. 5 combination 5, 1, 2 power 0, 1, and it's x power 5. Alright, after that we can simplify it further. So it's 32 minus 16 into 5, it's 80x, plus 10 times 8, 80x square, minus 10 fours are 40x cube, plus 5 2s are 10 x4 minus x5, and that is your answer. Alright, so I hope that now you have a clear idea how to write down the working formula, right? The power of A is always decreasing, the power of B always increasing, and the pattern to write down the working formula is same for all questions. After part F, moving on to the next one. Now you need to attempt part G. Alright, part G, it says A minus 2B, A minus 2B power 4. A minus 2B power 4. First give it a try by yourself. You have a time of 3 minutes, so start. Alright. In my case, the value of A, it's A, the value of B, it's 2B, and the value of N, it's 4. Up, writing the working formula. First term is always A to the power N, means A to the power 4. After that, 4 combination 1, 4 combination 2, 4 combination 3, 4 combination 4. It cannot exceed. It can never be 4 combination 5. Keep in mind that this number can never be greater than this one. It is wrong. Alright, after that we have A and B. So A is A, but B is 2B. A, 2B, A, 2B, A, 2B. Now the power. 4 minus 1, 3 and 1, 4 minus 2, 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 3, 4 minus 4, 0 and 4. After that the signs, that is very important. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Alright, so once you had done all those things, and make sure that you have written the working formula rightly and correctly manner, because this question has a weightage of 3 to 4 marks in your CIs, and just apply the working formula, substitute the values correctly, will give you 4 marks easily. Now we need to find out the values here. So first term, it's A to the power 4 minus 4 combination 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, A cube B plus 4 combination 2, it's 6, 6 and 2 square is 4, 6 4s are 24, A square B square minus 4 combination 3, it's 4, 2 cube is 8, so 8 4s are 32, AB cube plus 4 combination 4 is 1, A0 is 1 and 2 4 is 16, B power 4. Alright, so that is your final answer. I hope that now you have a clear idea how to expand the binomial expansion. Why we need it? We need binomial expansion for higher powers. Alright, so after part G, heading towards the next part, it's part I here. Part I. 1 over 2x minus 3. Part I. 1 over 2x minus 3, and the power we have, it's 4. 1 over 2x minus 3 power is 4. So first give it a try by yourself, and for this question you have a time of 3 minutes. Make sure that you are expanding the formula in correct manner, so start. Alright, firstly the value of A we have, it's 1 over 2x, or you can say x upon 2. The value of B we have, it's 3, and the value of N we have, it's 4. Alright, now I'm going to write down the working formula, which says that A to the power N, that means A is what? 1 over 2 power 4. After that the same practice, 4 combination 1, 4 combination 2, 4 combination 3, 4 combination 4. What is A and B we have? A is x over 2 and B is 3. Alright, A is x over 2, B is 3, x over 2, 3, x over 2, 3. Now you need to apply signs here, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Alright, now once you have written down the working formula, now you can easily solve it by just expanding the combination sign. So first term it will be 1 over 2 power 4 is 16 minus 4 combination 1 is 4, 4 upon 2, 2 3s are 6, x plus. Alright, firstly I have forgotten the powers of a, so it will be wrong here. 4 minus 1 it's 3, 1, 4 minus 2 it's 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 3, 4 minus 4 0 and 4. Alright, after that 4 combination 1 it's 4 times x cube upon 8 times 3 plus 4 combination 2 which is 6, 6 into x square divided by 4 times 9 minus 4 combination 3 it's 4, x upon 2, 3 cube it's 27 plus 4 combination 4 1 1 and 3 the power 4 it's 81. Alright, after that we can simplify it further. It's 1 over 16, x over 16 in fact, x power 4, x power 4, x power 4. Alright, minus 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so that will be 3x cube divided by 2 plus 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 9s are 27 divided by 2x square minus 2 2s are 4, 27 2s are 54x plus 81, and that is your final answer. So I hope that you had clearly understand the concept of binomial, that how to apply and what is the working formula. Moving on to the next question, it's question number 3. It says find the term in x cube for each of the following expansion. So now it clears about the term that we are looking for, x power cube here. Alright, okay. How we are going to attempt this one? We are going to start with part C. It says 1 plus 2x to the power 6. Now in such type of questions where the term is highlighted, that what coefficient we are looking for or what term we are looking for such type of questions we are going to apply the working formula to find out indicated term, right? And that working formula is TR plus 1 is equals to NCR A to the power n minus r b to the power r. That is the working formula. Alright, and in that working formula the main thing you need to highlight is the value of r here. And how you are going to do that, I will give you an example and then you will get the idea clearly, inshallah. Alright, first, in this question the value of A we have it's 1, the value of B we had it's 2x, the value of n we have it's 6. Now we need to find out the value of r here, which I will tell you, but before let me place the working formula here. So it's TR plus 1 is equals to n is what? 6CR, I'm not aware with the value of r, A to the power n minus r, 6 minus r, and B is what? 2x to the power r. Now this term clearly tells me the position of r and how come. We are looking for x power cube, right? So I need power cube after the expansion. That means I need to place the value of r is 3, because when the power is 3, so that will be x cube. Let's suppose here you are required to find out the value of x4, so I will place r4 here, because when you will expand it, so that will be x cube which you are looking for. So the value of r is 3, the value of r is 3, the value of r is 3. Now, third term basically indicates that we are looking for if r is 3, that means that we are looking for fourth term. Alright, 6 combination 3, we can find out easily. 6 combination 3, it's 20. 1 with the power of any number, it will be 1, so I'm just not writing here. 2 cube is 8 and x cube is x cube. So 20 times 8, it's 160 x cube. That is the fourth term of x cube, and that is your answer. Alright, so I hope that you have an idea that when you need to apply this working formula, when the term is indicated that you are looking for x cube, x5, 1 upon x square, any number, anything. When the term is indicated, you need to apply this working formula. How you apply this working formula, I have explained you. Now you need to practice this and you need to attempt question number 3, part E here, this one. Alright, part E, it says 1 minus x to the power 6. You need to find x power cube, that means the value of r is 3 because we have x only, right? For all those questions we have only x, that means we are looking for fourth term for x cube. Alright, so apply the same working formula and you have a time of 2 minutes. Give it a try, start. Alright, a is 1, b is x, b is minus x, c is not c, n is 6 and r is 3. Alright, these 4 important things we must know to apply this working formula. And now the working formula, I'm going to apply this one. T r plus 1, that means 3 plus 1 is equal to NCR, n is 6, combination r is 3, a to the power n minus r is 1 power n minus r, b, that is minus x, power r, that is 3. So now again it's a fourth term. 6 combination 3, we can easily find out. 6 combination 3, it's 20 minus x power cube. You can say that the final answer is minus 20 x power cube. Alright, after part E, you need to attempt part F. F says 2 minus x to the power 9. Alright, so when you need to apply the working formula, the method is same, that a is 2, b is minus x, n is 9. Since you are looking for cubical, that means the value of r again is 3. Alright, once you have all the basic parameters, then you need to apply the working formula. It's t r plus 1, that means 3 plus 1 is equals to NCR. The value of n we have, it's 9, combination r is 3. What is a? A is 2 to the power n minus r, that means 9 minus 3. What is the value of b? B is minus x. What is the value of r? It's q. Alright. Now the expansion of 9 combination 3, we know very well that how to find it. So 9 combination 3 is 84. 2 to the power 9 minus 3, it's 6, and it will be minus x power q. So 2 power 6, it's 64. 64 times 84, you will get 5376 x power cube with the negative sign. That is your fourth term, which includes the variable x power cube which you are looking for. Alright, so I hope that this part is clear to you, and an easy part like we have done previously, and after that you need to attempt part H by yourself, and for that part you have a time of 3.5 minutes. Alright, so give it a try and then I will tell you the answer, so start. Alright class, so I hope that you have done part H here, and part H is 4 minus 5x to the power 15. The data we need to make here first is a is equals to 4, b equals to minus 5x, n equals to 15, and again the value of r we have it's 3, right, because we are looking for x cube here. Now the working formula is T4 r plus 1 equals to NCR 15 combination 3, a to the power n minus r 15 minus 3 it's 12, and b that is minus 5x to the power r, so r is cube here. Alright, 15 combination 3 it's 455. Alright, 4 to the power 12 it's very lengthy number, it is 16777,216. Alright, 5 cube is negative 125x power cube. Multiply all those numbers into 125. So the number is quite large. It's negative of 9.54 raised to the power 11 x power cube. Alright, so that is your final answer. That is your fourth term, or you can say it has the coefficient of x cube. Alright, so I think that it is quite enough for today class. And what you need to do, you need to attempt question number 2 remaining parts. Alright, we have done 4 parts of question number 2, and in fact remaining parts you need to attempt. Which parts you need to do? You need to attempt part A, B and C. You need to attempt part A, B and C of question number 2, which I had discussed in the same session. Question number 2, part A, B and C. A, B and C, that is your homework question. Alright, so give them a try, verify your answer from the book, and in case you have any problem, don't hesitate to drop me a message on the portal.